thanks for coming out today. What I like about the DuraStone is the strength of the product. All these small stones are held together with a resin, and the product is very, very strong. So it holds up very, very well to snow, ice, all the elements that you'd find in nature. One of the impressive things we found when exploring DBS's website is the amount of different colors that were offered in the product. So we were able to choose the specific product that would fit outdoor nature, as well as tie in with the stonework on our home. So we're really happy with how the product turned out. Moreover, it's not just the product, it's the people behind it. Nathan and the crew that were here to install it were meticulous. They took the time to make sure that every portion of the job, which was quite large in terms of the amount of square footage, everything was installed by hand. They were meticulous in the quality throughout the whole process, and we're just really pleased with the people behind the DuraStone product and what they were able to achieve for results.